When is an individual not an individual? Okay, plants which reproduce asexually can cause terrible problems for the biological sampler. Is a single sprig of grass an individual, or is the whole patch uh, or one individual? Okay, we will discuss this today. So, it is relatively easy to count the number of plants in a quadrat if we can have an obvious individual like this. However, most of the time, especially in wheat study, we will encounter a situation like this. We have runners, plants with stolon, or individuals with tillers. In this case, the best bet may be to assume that patches physically isolated from each other are separate individuals, whereas those which are contagious may well all be the same individual. This may not be true in all cases, but one has to make some assumption in order to sample. The assumption should be included in any write-up or in any materials and methods. Grasses which reproduce by sending out runners and stolons can cover large areas with what looks like many different individuals of the same species, although in fact they are all the same plant. New plants will often arise where the runners or stolons touch the ground and root. If the runners become detached or die off, the individual clone remain as what appears to be different individuals. Although they are the same genetic makeup, the collection of clones of identical genetic makeup is called a ganet. The apparent individuals of the ganet are called ramets. The genets of some plants species may be hundreds, even thousands of years old. Here you can find two separate individuals because they are rooted from different individuals. However, if you are faced with the problem of trying to determine numbers of individuals of different grass species in a grassland, the best bet is to try and follow runners or stolons so that you can identify all the seemingly separate plants which belong to the same individual. As they are all interconnected, they should be treated as one individual. Okay, when connecting runners and stolons have been lost, then there is no way of knowing whether the plants are different genetic individuals or ramets. They therefore have to be treated as a separate plants. In any case, as the interconnections have been lost, they are to all intents and purposes different individuals, even if their genetic makeup happens to be the same as the plant next door. Okay, I hope you are clear about how to determine an individual within the quadrant.